Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen images in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and select your image that you want to sharpen, and then I want you to go ahead and click on this icon right here. This will open up the filters menu, and then from here you'll actually see unsharp mask. I want you to click on this and you can increase the radius of your sharpening, can also increase the factor as well, and the threshold you can go ahead and increase or decrease it as you please. Of course, you can adjust the opacity as well. If you want to go ahead and do this to a specific object in the image, then all you need to do is you need to come here on the left hand panel and use the selection brush tool. You'll find this under the Pixel Studio, and then you just select your image or object. So we'll do this person's face right here, and we'll just do the same thing. Click on filters, and then we'll use unsharp mask, and as you can see, we're able to sharpen the face, just the selection. And that is how to sharpen images in Affinity Studio.